Hello guys, good day everyone. Ngayon, kakaibang vegetable salad naman ang i-share ko sa inyo. So, ito, yung lettuce cut into cubes, tomato cut into cubes, onion cut into cubes, and dinagdagan ko ng corn kernel, at saka yung binalatan kong fried shrimp. At syempre, dinagdagan ko rin ng konting asin, pampalasa, black pepper powder, at saka pinagaan ko ng lemon para mag-balance yung asim at saka fried shrimp. And naglaga ako ng isang itlog to make it perfect. So, sa mga tulad kong nagda-diet, try nyo ito, kakaiba talaga. My new version of vegetable salad. Sana magustuhan nyo itong video ko na to, and thank you for always supporting my friends, brother and sisters. Thank you so much. And mix na lang natin. Mix. Super yummy. Promise. Try this new recipe of vegetable salad. Tiyak magugustuhan nyo. So that's it. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. So let's eat, enjoy our salad.